Hello there. I wanted to show you today, Lisa, a tech tool called Screencasting, and this tool enables you to record what's on your video screen, and to also give a oral commentary on it. The tool that I'm using is called Screencast-O-Matic.com. And it's a free tool. It launches within a browser. So yeah, it's something that I recommend you to have a look at and get on your device. I'm going to use this today to give you a little bit of feedback on your writing that you did for me. I hope this proves or shows a useful example of how you can use this tool, but also is useful for you in terms of your writing and expressing yourself in this way. So I have first-hand contact with English. I want you to think about the tense here. You've used the present perfect tense, but it doesn't really work, mainly because of using the past simple here, so I'd like you to make that change. You say English word composure, but if I Google composure and look at some pictures, I don't think that composure is exactly what you mean. This is what I think of when I think of composure. So it may be that this is a false friend, or something else. It's a similar word from the right word family. And English were, the use of the verb to be like this here. Why have you used were? I had the chance to do some extra time with that teacher. Now, you mentioned this teacher, but to me it's not clear what her name is or his name is and where they've come from. So what I'd like is for you to maybe explain a little bit about this person first, and then you can refer back to them. I kept studying through the years, and this has made me take the Cambridge exams and then maybe list them. Ket, pet, FC, something like that. So architecture and urbanism. I'm not sure about this as a discipline at university. If I Google it, architecture and urban, I get interestingly urban planning would be my first thought. But actually, maybe urbanism is a field in English. It took me 6 years to finally finish the course. And then, I think you mean then, I was able to put my learning into practice. However, there were, again, so got this same as above here, political and economic crisis in Brazil, and recent graduate architects, and recently graduated architects did not have, and then where is a question word, we need to make it anywhere to work. In fact, that was a difficult year for the economy of the whole country, and there's a few more preposition things coming up. There was an increase in unemployment, and architecture was one of the main professions that was affected. With that, there were no projects to be done and no ground for recent architects to initiate. This is a very nice ending to the sentence. It's a good job here. I spent a year unemployed working 4 hours a day in an architect's office. You said you're unemployed, but then you said you're working. Unemployed means that you don't have work, and then you said you're working 4 hours a day. So, can you think of another word here? Not sure that's the right word. We often talk about either an architect, if it's one architect, it'd be an architect's office, or if it's for a company, be an architecture firm. So yeah, which was it? Working for an architect or working for an architecture firm? The without payment can be cleared up by changing this word here. So have a look into that, see if you can do some research. Another source of money is okay, but also could you upgrade this word and change this to something more like a C1 level word? After a long 6 months looking for a job, I found it in a bilingual school where I worked for 6 months. Working there, so it's here, even though it's there, but it's here. Because it's the immediacy of what we're talking about. I think it's unnecessary to say experience that I didn't have, because that's what experience is. And okay, so here it's the preposition. What preposition comes after develop a passion? Develop a passion on or something else? I'll give you a clue. It's not on. So can you find out what the preposition is? After that 6 month period, I was offered another job in a private language school. The same was that I studied for practically my whole life. Again, the grammar here needs a little bit of sorting out, so this last line, can you sort out that last line? I've been teaching there for 2.5 years now, mostly dealing with technology. And let's be specific, they're students. They're not people of all ages, they're students or learners of all ages. I began as a cold teacher, and with time got my own classes. I basically teach all ages. I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, it's nice, and I think you could also talk a little bit more about your progression and all the other things that you've done. But yeah, that's an example of a screencast. But I do also want you to respond to this feedback, so I want you to upgrade this piece of writing. So respond to my my feedback, please. Thank you.